In this video, let me show you how to fix Coinbase verification fail. So if you're not being able to verify your account or your identity within Coinbase, let me show you a few things that you need to ensure. First of all, you need to ensure that your profile as well as your addresses match. So what I mean by that is if your account details does not match your physical documents, the automated system will reject it immediately. So the document that you provide, if it does not match the profile information that you have added in within Coinbase, this is the major issue that you're facing. So as soon as you fix this issue, you should be able to verify your account. Also make sure that the documents that you are adding in, such as your passport or even the selfie that you're capturing, is in a well-lit area. Make sure that the document or your face is clearly visible so that the automated system of Coinbase can easily detect it. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can try out is, if you're currently using the mobile app of Coinbase, what you can do is just uninstall Coinbase from your device and then again re-download it. Also ensure that you have disabled any sort of VPNs as well as ad blockers if you're currently on a desktop and using the web version. So once you ensure these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.